Welcome back, guys. This is a pretty quick little video for you today. A few subscribers had mentioned something to me in the comments over the last month about the best way we clean seatbelts. So I just happen to have a great example here, this being my 2009 Nissan Cube that I picked up earlier this year as a daily driver, kid hauler, dog hauler, etc. The previous owner of the last 10 plus years had kids and they were very messy and it wasn't cleaned up after that often. So the interior was pretty rough when I got it, but I never got around to cleaning the seat belts. As you can see here, they were all pretty nasty with some mold or mildew or something on them, along with cola, soda, whatever. I'm going to show you a few different options here, the lazy way we do it and the sanitary way. So first way, the lazy way, you simply get a clamp to keep the belt from retracting, pull the belt all the way out, get as much of it outside the door as possible, close the door and pressure wash away. We have to be careful not to damage the paint here, as you are going to generally get pretty close to the paint with a pressure washer. So make sure you rinse the paint the rest of the way off after you're finished. You don't want to let the seatbelt retract until it's fully dry, or you will have mildew smell that can develop. This will not get all of the belt clean, but of course we can do some more later, but it'll get the majority of it and we can proceed to the second method, which is what I prefer, and this is using our Mighty 8070 hot water extractor, your favorite all-purpose cleaner. You do have to choose your chemical wisely, especially on colored belts like Porsche, red, yellow, whatever. Those may contain a dye, so do a test spot on the very end of the belt. Pull it all the way out, do a test spot, make sure there's no dye transfer. Working on the same belt that we pressure washed, you can see how filthy these were, and that was the portion that was inside of the car. So I'm going to use IGL Multi on this and see how nasty it is. Look at all that coming out. Just absolutely disgusting what was in those belts. And this vehicle didn't have much of an odor, fortunately, but it definitely could have. And this is one of the spots where that odor comes from, is the belts. If it's not the belts, it's the carpets or the cushions, of course. But this is our preferred method. I definitely like doing it this way. It's very effective. You get to see everything removed. So the third method, using our McCullough steamer. And you basically just wrap it in a microfiber towel. You can use your favorite cleaner or just steam, depending on how bad they are. And it's definitely the most sanitary method. But again, make sure the belts are completely dry before you let them retract. So there you have it. The final result is fantastic. Like new, they're clean and odor free. I hope that helps some of you guys. As I said earlier, the extractor is my preferred method of doing this, especially the ones that are really bad. If they look clean, you may even try doing it though. You'd be surprised how dirty they are. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you soon.